My name's Fay McKenzie and I'm a tutor on the Kaitiaki Training Ranger program with MIT. Practical conservation operations as an elective that you can choose, we strongly recommend because we cover 3 areas within that subject, and one of them is river crossing, one of them is safety around helicopters, and the other is 4-wheel drive training. So all 3 of those things super important in the conservation world. We offer the practical side of it, and so once again the students can have a go at it, they know what they're doing, and when they then face with it in the workplace they feel confident. They know how to operate the machinery, they can do it in a safe manner, but mostly having that confidence. They've had a go, they've opened the helicopter door, you know, they've locked the pod. They know the protocol around that stuff, so it's not a foreign thing for them when they go into the workplace.